NCSimul's three-step process allows you to catch any syntax errors before starting the simulation, saving you process time overall. However, you may want to simulate something early on in the code without waiting for the completion of the decoding process. The new Edit While Calculating mode allows for the simultaneous calculation of the G-code decomposition and motion of the machine with material removal. You can also flip the switch to automatically start the simulation when the decoding is complete. When reloading the job, notice that you now have several calculation status bars at the bottom: gray for decoding, red for probing, and green for overall simulation progress. This mode allows you to modify the setup, edit the tool library, or simply start the simulation as NCSimul continues its computation. It is very useful for large programs if you're still working through the troubleshooting phase. Notice that your current position in the G-code is also marked on the timeline within the status bar. Utilize the Edit While Calculating mode when actively modifying the project, as it's another tool to increase your efficiency within the software.